Lingbird, language learning made easy.
Last month, my parents decided it was finally time for a family renovation weekend. I knew that meant I wouldn't be relaxing. Instead, I would be forced to do the housework from morning until evening. It all started when my dad announced we were going to assemble a piece of furniture for my new room. I was actually excited at first, but after 2 hours of arguing over instructions, I wished we could just convert it into something else, like firewood. At one point, we even had to dismantle some parts because we had attached one panel the wrong way. While we were struggling with that, my mom was in the hallway trying to change a light bulb that had burned out days ago. Then she realized we had left a big mess after breakfast, so she asked me to clean and tidy up the dining room. As if that wasn't enough, my little brother decided he wanted to decorate his room. By decorate, I mean he taped superhero posters everywhere. My mom called it creative. I called it a disaster. Around noon, Dad found a leak under the kitchen sink, so we had to do maintenance work. Watching him fix the leak was actually kind of interesting. He even explained how important it is to learn basic skills like this before moving out. In the afternoon, things got even more intense. My parents announced we were going to rearrange the furniture in the living room. While doing that, we noticed the carpet was badly stained in a few spots, so I had to remove the stains using some strong-smelling cleaning spray. After that, my mom handed me a mop and told me to sweep and mop the floor properly, not just quickly. She says I always rush through chores. Maybe she's right. Later, we went outside to mow the lawn because the grass had practically turned into a jungle. Our neighbor even joked that we should charge people to visit our private forest. While Dad was busy with that, I helped him mend the fence in the backyard, which had been damaged during a storm. Inside the house, my mom decided it was time to renovate the bathroom slightly. Nothing dramatic, just some fresh paint and new shelves. At some point, we even talked about a complete house renovation in the future, which honestly sounds exhausting. To make things worse, our dishwasher suddenly stopped working, so we had to empty the dishwasher manually and wash everything by hand. That was the moment I realized how much we depend on technology. By Saturday evening, I was completely exhausted. My arms hurt, my clothes were dirty, and I smelled like cleaning products. But when I looked around, the house actually felt different. Cleaner, brighter, more organized. I guess weekends like this teach you responsibility. One day, when I finally move into my own apartment, I won't panic if I need to repair something or renovate a room. I'll know how to handle it. Still, I wouldn't mind a weekend where the only thing I have to assemble is a pizza.
Thank you for listening to this lesson. Your progress doesn't stop here. For even more confidence in your language skills, click on the next video or choose a playlist that matches your level. And of course, like and subscribe to stay up to date. Bye-bye!